Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your notebooks into Google Drive on your KOBO Elipsa 2e. Okay, so let's begin. So first, on our device we need to click on More and click on My Google Drive. Now click on Get Started. And we have something like that. So we need to visit kobo.com/Google Drive, and in that page we need to enter this code. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do this on PC. You can always use your phone instead. I'll just open up the PC and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so I just opened up my browser, and now we need to open this page. So let's type kobo.com/Google Drive. Let's open up this page, and now we need to type the code that we have seen on our device. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now click on Continue. Click on Continue once again, and now choose an account to continue to KOBO. I'll just use my Google account. Now click on Select, and then click on Continue. Okay, now click on Go to Google Drive. Okay, and now we have access into our Google Drive. And now I'll go back into our KOBO, and I'll show you how to transfer and add your notebooks into the Google Drive. Okay, so now how to add your notebooks. Open up My Notebooks on this bar. Now click on the three dots under the notebook that you want to export and click on Export. Now select Export to Google Drive and click on Next. Now select the format. We have PDF, PNG and the JPEG. I'll just leave the PDF, then click on Export. Okay, our notebook is being exported, so we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, it says that the notebook has been exported. So now I'll open up the Google Drive on my PC again, and we'll check if it's true. Okay, so now we are again in the Google Drive, and you can see that the exported notebooks folder appeared. So we can click on that, and we have our PDF. So let's click on that, and you can see that it has been successfully transferred and copied into our Google Drive. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.